This isn't a protest from today. This is New York City, in 1936. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary Labor Day parade, but look closer. These banners tell a very different story. Workers weren't only asking for better wages, they were marching against fascism, calling for justice, and demanding equal rights for all workers. The world was moving toward another global war. Many labor unions believed that only united workers could stop it. Thousands of people filled the streets of Manhattan. Brass bands played, union members marched proudly, and newspaper cameras climbed onto vehicles just to capture the enormous crowds. One banner demands a 30-hour work week, not 40 hours, 30. During the Great Depression, many believed shorter work weeks would allow more people to find jobs. Another banner attacks decisions made by the Supreme Court, reflecting the intense political battles over workers' rights during the 1930s. One of the most remarkable moments appears here. A banner showing black and white workers standing together, united, decades before the civil rights movement reached its peak. This parade wasn't just about one holiday. It was about jobs, equality, democracy, and the future of working people in America. Every face in this crowd belonged to someone who helped shape history. Thanks to modern AI restoration, we can experience this moment almost as if we were standing there ourselves. What surprised you the most about this parade? Let me know in the comments. And follow for more journeys into history.